So setting up the DJI Mini 2 is honestly quite easy. We have the controller here, and all you have to do is pop out the little connector. It comes with one for iOS or for Android, the USB Type-C. Pretty nice little feature there. Open up the phone and open up the DJI Fly app. Have this all connected in. Press and hold. Turn on the controller. Then we got to take apart the gimbal guard and the wing guard here. I did crash land this, so hopefully the propellers are all working well. If not, I can do a little quick repair on it. It's a nice thing about this. So they unfold just like this. And then same thing with this. Press and hold. Turn it on. We'll do a little gimbal test. And we're off to the races. And now we can go fly. Here we are. It's up in the air. There we have it. The drone is flying.
The home point has been updated. Please check